Right, question 8. Each time George fires an arrow at the target, the probability that he hits the centre of the target is 0.3. George fires 2 arrows at the centre of the target. Complete the probability tree diagram. So he hits the centre, it said 0.3, didn't it? So we need to put that here. Or does not hit the centre, we need to put 0.7, of course, then, so that it adds up to 1. Second arrow is going to be exactly the same probability. So again, hits the centre is going to be 0.3, does not hit the centre, 0.7. Okay, you've got to repeat this down here then to represent this, the route from this branch here. Okay, so there's your tree diagram complete. Now there's a part B to this. It says, calculate the probability that George only hits the centre of the target once. Okay, so he hits the centre of the target once. Now, if we look at our tree diagram, let's think about how he could hit the centre just once. Well, he could hit the centre on the first arrow, and then if he hits it just once, well, he'd hit it on the first arrow, but then he wouldn't hit it on the second arrow, if that makes sense. So you'd have to go along this branch, and then this branch. So 0.3 times 0.7, okay? It's no good, you can't go along those two branches, because if you went along those two branches, it means he's hitting the centre twice, and the question said he hits the centre once alone. So he could hit the centre the first throw, but not on the second. But that's not the only way of doing it. He could, of course, miss, couldn't he, on the first throw? He could miss on the first throw, and actually hit on the second throw. You could do it that way, couldn't you? So you go along there and there, times them. Okay? So you've got two possibilities. You've either got that one, or you've got the second one. Okay? So there's two possible routes. So that increases our chances, right? So that's that word or in again, we're going to add, right? So you're going to write this down here in the answer, 0.3 times 0.7, or 0.7 times 0.3. That is 0.21, or means to add, that is also 0.21, so you're increasing our chances, you're doubling your chances, there 0.42 is the answer.